I wanted to become a therapist because I think people are fascinating to me. I have a passion about people's stories. I love to hear what they've been through, figure out what for them is pivotal in their lives that sort of made them who they are. And people to me are just fascinating. And I'm really passionate about how people feel and how people tick and how people want to work on feeling better. And I think that's very, very important. My approach to therapy is developmental, attachment-based, schema-based, and psychoanalytic-based. So I like to look at the person as the whole in their environment and what has happened to them and what they're experiencing, and looking at what's going on inside, because I really think that does make a difference.
Nancy, and I'm a psychotherapist.
I'm here to help you create a better version of yourself, and together we can build a path for the future.